This video will show you how to find eBooks through the Valencia College Library catalog. I've already logged into Atlas and click Search the Library. So now I'm going to look for eBooks by clicking on the yellow eBooks tab and entering in any keywords I want to. eBooks are different from articles and other sources because you'll find more elementary information in them. So a journal article is going to be about a procedure or perhaps a clinical trial. You're not going to be able to find a definition of something or a standard of care in a library database. So an ebook may help you find more basic information about your topic if that's what you're after. For example, I can search for nursing ethics and click search. I have nearly 300 search results, but remember, it's extremely important that you don't use any sources that are more than 5 years old. So the first thing I'm going to do is change the publication year. You'll see up top it's already suggesting so. If I click publication year, I can choose 2015 and later, which is perfect. That's our 5 years. You can see that narrows it down to 37 ebooks, so we've gone quite narrow, quite fast. You can then look through the different topics of each of the ebooks. If you click on the title of the book, it will give you some basic information like the chapters or table of contents, a description of the book. To actually open the book, you're looking for a link at the top that says Valencia, click here to view this ebook. When you click that, it should open one of our ebook databases. We have a few, so if you find one, it may not look quite like what I'm showing you, but all of our ebook databases have the same basic options and features. So with this book, I want to click Read Online on the left side of the page, and you can see it opens a page-by-page scan of the book. On the left side, I can scroll a bit and look for the topic that I'm researching in the table of contents. So let's say I want to go to chapter 5. You could see it brings me right there. But one of the other great features about ebooks is that you can actually do keyword searches. So if I'm looking for information on advanced directives, I can search that. I'm going to put it in quotation marks so it looks for the whole phrase. Otherwise, it'll just look for the word advance and the word directive. So it's showing me that my phrase is mentioned in chapter 3, chapter 6, and chapter 11. So I can click the arrow there next to the chapter, and it shows me what pages have results and how many results. The more results on a page or a list of consecutive pages, that's a good indication that there's an entire section or chapter on that topic. So sure enough, if I scroll up a little bit, I can see there's a whole section on advanced directives. And now instead of having to go through a whole chapter, maybe I'm only reading 5 pages or a smaller section. You can also download pages out of the ebooks to attach to your discussion board posts. So you'll actually click the print button because it's not going to print, it's going to make a PDF that you can save or print. You're not going to want to do the entire chapter because then your classmates will have to look through the chapter. So there might just be a page range. So I'll say page 127 to 129. Maybe that's the section I'm working on. You can do just the current page. And then you can also change the citation style to APA to get an APA citation. And when I click continue, it's going to create a PDF that I can download. And here's my section. So I can then write my discussion board post, save this to my desktop or to a file, and then from there attach it in Canvas. You've also got this button which will give you a citation. So again, you'll choose APA and it gives you an APA citation for the book to include in your discussion board posts. If you're looking for other ebooks, you can go back to the library catalog and continue searching, or visit databases by subject and go to the electronic books section and look in individual databases that way. Ones like eBook Collection from Ovid and R2 Digital Library are specifically healthcare-focused eBook collections.